Tina Brown, Xojo's Director of Marketing, and in this video, we're going to see how to implement a little tip so our web apps can block the back button in the browser. This way, our app's web page remains as the current one displayed, avoiding the unexpected exit from it when the user clicks or taps on such a button, and then clicks on the forward button in the browser to return to our app web page. This would end in the usual connection lost message error. All we need to do is select the app item in the navigator and then type this snippet of code in the HTML header section from the inspector panel. This code will make sure to add a new event listener to the browser window that will push the current URL, the one for the current web page, in the browser history stack. That little thing is everything we need to block the back button, something that's especially annoying when the web page is accessed from a mobile device and the user inadvertently applies the back gesture in the browser. Something that would result in the connection error message when they try to go back again to the previous page of the app in order to continue using it. In addition, for this to work, we also need to assign a string to the hashtag property of the session object. Once that is done, if we run our example app, we can see how if the user clicks on the browser back button, it is blocked and our web app continues to work in the current displayed web page without interruptions.